Okay, these are freshly butchered chickens, and they've already obviously taken the feathers off them. So they're getting them all prepared to be cooked. And I'm going to take you over and show you them what's already been done, being cooked and having been cooked. And there's Travis and Tristan and Lolo. And so now I'll take you over and, oh, and there's Stephanie there. Take you over and show you the cooked chicken. So this is the chicken being fried up. They have a chicken, it's basically flour with seasoning in it that you can put the chicken in and fry it up as fried chicken. So there's that. That pot over there already has the cooked rice in it. And then Travis likes to put himself in a particular place. But there's the chicken in what is probably a milk and egg dip type of thing. And there's the chicken in the flour mixture. And then the cooked fried chicken. And this is the preview. This is just other stuff before they've actually cooked it up. So, this is our nice table here. And little IKEA. Travis has to check things out. He's inspecting. And the sun's coming out. Marcy, my sister-in-law, the two swimming pools. But it has been a rainy day. Friends, Max Engelman, his wife Joy, and his son AJ are going to be coming up later this afternoon. They're in Matugtug, where they have a second house. But just thought I'd show you real quick, all green, our power lines. I have to check and see if they've run the Wi-Fi cable up here yet. But just a quick little video to show you what's going on here on the Saturday, the 23rd of December, 2023. The day is almost over. There's the chicken that escaped the butcher's knife.